Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you the tutorial. If you are facing your cash flow on Odoo, it hasn't have the comparison button. But on other report, not the cash flow, obviously, the profit and loss, it has the comparison, and then the balance sheet as well has the comparison. But I don't know why the cash flow statement sometimes gone the comparison button. So what you have to do, you just go to this configuration inside your accounting app configuration and go to the setting, and then make sure you turn on the developer mode first. Okay, you scroll down until you activate the developer mode. After you activate the developer mode, you go to this accounting section and then find the analytics. You just search analytics. You see this analytics accounting. Make sure you check this one, make sure you turn it on, and then you can go back to any, you can, I mean, once again, analytics, make sure you check this one, and then you can click this save. Okay, after you save that, you refresh your Odoo by pressing your control and F5 or CMD F5, which means that make the hard refresh. It will be clear your cache, and then go to this reporting, or I mean this configuration, and you can find this the analytical. Wait, where is it? You can find accounting reports. Okay, you just click this configuration and then accounting reports, and then look for this cash flow statement. You just click that on cash flow statement, as simple as that, and then you could go to these options and then find the period comparison. Okay, just turn it on and then click save on this cloud button, and then go back to to your uh, your report, cash flow statement. Now see, I have the comparison button on my cash flow statement. So that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.